Let's draw and paint a unicorn cupcake today, starting with the unicorn horn, some stripes. Now we're going to do a cherry on top and the icing. I think we'll do 3 layers of icing and then our cake underneath. Brilliant! A smiley face, of course. Segmenting our cupcake with rosy cheeks. And let's not forget our tail. And some ears. Brilliant! Time to paint. What colour shall we do first? Ooh, blue, my favourite. Top part of the horn, then yellow. Alternating colours is a fantastic technique. Green for the leaf of our cherry, and now red for the cherry, of course. Do you like cherries? Oh, I love them, especially those nice, sweet, sticky glazed ones. Gold colour for the ears. Lovely. I like pink icing. It could be strawberry flavoured. What do you think? And how about this one could be... What are your favourite cupcake flavours? Me too. There we are, alternating again, because we just love it. Ooh, and done. Time to do the cake. Silver next. Going to do our first segment, carefully painted in between the lines and around rosy cheek, and next blue. Going around the eyes. Ooh, that really brings out the blue of her eyes, don't you think? And done! Next segment can be silver again. We are continuing with the theme of alternating colours. Careful to go around the mouth and the cheek, staying in between the black lines. And finally, blue for the last cake segment. And there! Rosy cheeks are going to be rosy, of course. That lovely pink colour will match the icing. Yeah! Our red lips, of course, to bring out the red of the cherry. And for the tail, we're going for green. What shall we do next? Brilliant idea! Yellow would look great next to green. That's one happy, bright, colourful cupcake. Alternating. Of course we are. Done! There you go! You did it! Well done! A gorgeous, colourful unicorn cupcake! Yay! Hi friends! Today we're going to learn how to draw a cute cupcake, starting with a cherry on top. A top layer of icing, and then layer some more icing underneath that. A few wavy lines. Every layer slightly different. And then we do the cake underneath it. Brilliant! Hey, let's do a face. 2 shiny eyes. Couple of little eyebrows. And a smile. Ah, right. Now we're going to thicken up the border to make a nice thick black outline. And time to paint. Ooh, which colour shall we do first? Let's do the cherry first. A nice spot of red. I love cherries, they're my favourite. Do you like the fresh ones or do you like those sweet ones? I like fresh cherries. Perfect, now let's do yellow for our top layer of buttercream icing. I think we'll make this a nice rainbow covered cupcake. Let's do blue. This could be blueberry flavoured. Imagine if your buttercream icing was all different flavours. Wouldn't that be tantalising on your taste buds? Now let's go for green. This could be minty flavoured. So you can use a separate paintbrush for each of these colours, or simply dip the same paintbrush in clean water each time to wash off the previous colour. And purple, my favourite. Hey, this could be plum flavour. Or maybe even blackberry. What do you think? Now our last layer of buttercream icing could be yellow again. Yeah, yellow at the bottom and yellow at the top. Wow, it's like a rainbow buttercream icing sandwich. Vanilla, I think, or maybe lemon. Time to colour in the cake. Orange. Painting around those eyes, those big cute eyes. We can even mix a bit of yellow in with the orange to make it slightly more peachy. Keep going, you're doing great. Almost there. And just the last bit. Done! And there you have it, a gorgeous rainbow cupcake. Good job. Hi kids, I love birthdays. Let's make a birthday cake. Let's start by drawing the outline, starting with an oval shape at the bottom and a square in the middle and a bigger oval shape on top of that to make our cake stand. Then we can draw our cake outline. We're going to do lots of layers and lots of dripping icing. Yay! Some stripes so we can colour it nice and bright. A smaller layer on top, some icing, some curvy stripes, and a third and final layer. Ooh, this cake is gonna be awesome! What about some candles? Let's add some stripy candles. Two candles. Time to paint with glitter. We're going to use silver on our cake stand. Oh, I love this glittery paint. It's so shiny. And some glittery peach. Brilliant. Then purple for the first stripes. Some yellow. What's your favourite colour? Green. Pink. Oh, I love that pink next to the green. How about some turquoise? And some more peach. Ooh, just peachy. Now we're going to use some brown sparkle for our icing, because this is a chocolate rainbow cake. If it was your birthday, what kind of cake would you like? Some purple glitter, and then yellow, and we're going to continue the same pattern as before with green. Then pink. What colour comes next? Can you remember? Yes, it's blue. And that's the last one for this one. Some brown icing, of course. We love our chocolate icing. Oh, this cake is looking absolutely delicious. Let's go on the stripes again. Purple, yellow. What's next? Yeah, green. What comes after green, folks? Yes, that's right, it's pink. And chocolate. That was easy, wasn't it? Let's paint our candles. Blue. And why not? Every other stripe with red. And of course yellow for the flames. And there you have it. A perfect birthday cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hey kids, I'm feeling a bit peckish. How about you? I'm going to draw something delicious. Can you guess what it is? You have a go. See if you can copy. Wavy lines. Ooh, another semicircle. And an oval. Ooh, more squiggly lines. Some little baby rectangles. What could this be? Did you figure it out? That's right! It's a donut! Yummy! Let's draw something else. That looks like a cherry. What could that be? Leaves, I think. Ooh, looks like a slice of something. Maybe a yummy pastry. What do you think? It's a triangle, isn't it? With lots of layers. Ooh, time to shade the border up. As always, we like to thicken the dark border to make the colours stand out once we paint or colour it in. Yay! Let's start with pink for our donut. We're going to carefully colour around our sprinkles. Do you know how to spell donut? Well, it's a trick question actually, because donut has two spellings. If you look in the dictionary, you'll see a spelling that we use here in the UK, and it is D-O-U-G-H-N-U-T. Donut! If you go to America, however, they do a simplified spelling. D-O-N-U-T. D-O-N-U-T. Donut! So either works. Either way, it tastes delicious, doesn't it? Finishing touches. Right, time to do the cream. Chocolate, I think. What flavour cream would you like in your donut? Perhaps vanilla or strawberry? Chocolate is my favourite. Yum yum. Right, let's colour in our chocolate cream on the inside too. So basically where we have our squiggly lines, that is the chocolate cream. Looks delicious, doesn't it? Let's go for a nice orange colour for the inside. And the last part. So that's the colour of our lovely baked donut. This donut has strawberry icing, sprinkles and chocolate sauce. What does your donut look like? What flavour is it? Right, let's do the sprinkles. We got yellow, red and green. Excellent. Time to colour in our pastry, red cherry and green leaves. There, let's do pink now for the top. This can be our icing. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Carefully going around the leaves. It's always a good idea to go around the borders really carefully first, and then you can just shade the rest of it in. And done! Right, we're going to do purple for our first segment. I wonder what flavour this is going to be. Maybe raspberry, blueberry. There, let's do some chocolate icing in the middle. We do love a bit of chocolate. How about some yellow underneath that? This is looking like a really cool pastry. Oh, don't you just want to have a bite? Maybe this is custard. We're going to go for orange at the bottom to keep our nice rainbow colourful theme going. Perhaps that's a little bit of biscuit there, or even cake. Doesn't it look delicious?
Subscribe and watch more.